Last weekend, my family and I went to the movies to see a new romantic comedy called The LoveBirds. It was a really cute movie about a couple who go on a trip together and end up getting framed for murder. The main characters, Lalani and Gibran, are a young couple who have been together for 2 years. They are going on a weekend getaway to New Orleans, but their trip takes a turn for the worse when they witness a murder. The police suspect them of the crime, and they must clear their names before it's too late. The movie is full of humor and heart. Lalani and Gibran are likable characters who are relatable to anyone who has ever been in a relationship. They are both flawed and imperfect, but they are also deeply in love. The supporting cast is also great, with Issa Rae and Kumail Nanjiani giving standout performances. The movie begins with Lalani and Gibran arriving in New Orleans for their weekend getaway. They are excited to spend time together and reconnect. However, their plans are quickly derailed when they witness a murder. The victim is a young woman named Emily, and she is killed by a man named Mark. Lalani and Gibran are terrified. They know that they must do something to clear their names, but they don't know where to start. They decide to investigate the murder on their own. Their investigation leads them to a dangerous world of drugs, violence, and corruption. They come face to face with Mark, who is determined to kill them. Lalani and Gibran must use all of their skills and resources to survive. Along the way, Lalani and Gibran learn a lot about themselves and each other. They learn to trust each other and work together. They also learn to let go of their differences and focus on what's important. In the end, Lalani and Gibran are able to clear their names and bring Emily's killer to justice. They also come out of the experience stronger and more in love than ever before. My family and I really enjoyed the movie. We laughed out loud at the funny parts and were on the edge of our seats during the suspenseful parts. It was a great way to spend a Saturday night with our loved ones.